In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an exterior door handle on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located on the outside of the door. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to remove the grommet out of the end of the door. Under the grommet, you're going to find a T27 bolt. Fully unscrew it. It is a captured bolt. It will not fall out. Pull straight out and remove the door lock cylinder. Pull straight back on the door handle. Lift out in the back, hinge it out in the front, and remove the exterior door handle. Install the new door handle. Swivel it in the front. Get it lined up in the back. Slide it forward. Be sure it clicks into place. Be sure your gaskets are still sitting in the correct spots. Using a small pick, we're going to remove the trim cover from the lock cylinder. There's going to be a tab on either side. You want to get under this tab and pop up. On the other side, ours is broken, so it pops off nice and easy. On the new one, you're going to have a lock on either side. Install the new trim. Start it on one side, hinge it down, click it into place. Install the lock cylinder into the door. Install the screw into the lock cylinder. Make sure it's nice and snug. Install the plug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.